So earlier today on the previous bid, I showed how I entered on the trading exchange down here at 61.4 and my reasons for why I wanted to take a long to try to play a relief rally. I gave the targets of 68 to 69 range. This is the 15-minute time frame right here. So as I said before, I need to see if this is market makers' agenda. They really need to give us a good fake out and rally back up to higher price levels and then reject. So I wanted to see the 68 to 69 range for starters to be reached, and that would give traders, investors reasons to take profit if we get rejected. And I'd like to mention one thing. Let me go to the high time frame real quick. We're in an uptrend, so I trade with the trend, but also small time frame intraday trading. I'll trade both directions just depending on what micro trend there might be. But if you notice, the previous all-time high was right here at about 69,000. I have the line right here. We never closed a weekly candle above this. I'm on the USDT chart though. This isn't the USD chart. We did close some daily candles above that level. We closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before we started heading down. So weekly time frame, that's rejection. The price did ultimately go higher than the previous all-time high, but it's a wick. So this is why I needed price to at least come to the 68, 69,000 mark. That's what I was looking for. At least it could still shoot up here. We still have a whole week to go, or a half a week to go before this weekly close. But people are getting, traders, investors are getting smarter throughout the years. We're used to these tricks, flash crashes, daily dumps, shakeouts, to play with the emotions of traders and investors. So let me go back to the smaller time frames. If we don't rally back up and get rejected from the higher prices, that's not going to influence anyone to want to sell their Bitcoin right now. They just think it's market makers, same little games, have a little small daily dump, or everybody's throwing around the word crash. This is by no means a crash. This was about 20%, from that new all-time high. That is not a crash. If anything, it will be a correction, but that is what everybody's used to. A small correction, price goes higher. It's a bull run. We've been in a bullish trend macro-wise. So if we keep getting rejected up here at the higher prices, that would let investors know or traders know that the market is going to reverse and have a true correction or a true dump or a true crash, which I think is still healthy. A lot of people talk about how that's healthy. I'm one of those people, pullbacks. But that's why I took this long. I sniped it. I didn't just take it. I sniped it. And that was my reasoning behind all that, was because if the agenda for market maker to bring prices lower, because, they want to scoop up the bags lower, wash, rinse, and repeat. People that's buying ETFs, I don't want to buy at the top. So we're trying to get lower prices. If that is the agenda for people to invest and scoop up the bags at a better discount, then it has to look real. The game must go on, but it has to look real because nobody is unloading their bags right now. Everybody's in greed. The fear and greed index is still high. It's still green.